really wish this garlic would have made it another couple of weeks, but it's just not going to. However, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that one. These were planted, when did I plant these? Back like last October. They were planted on October 19th. Yes, sir. They are plants from my garlic from earlier, the year before. I saved the biggest ones and replant them. Oh, no, no. There it goes. Oh. So nice. Not the biggest garlic, but I tell you, these are as big as the ones you pay a bunch for to get in a little box at Walmart. Imported straight from China. These are American garlic. They've been American garlic for many, many years. Leave these out to dry. Before we clean them up, take them inside to let them get good and dry. But boy, that's nothing to sneeze at there, folks. Come down here and show you how they're looking. Boy, and see, there's lots of them in there. Yes, sir. These are some sweet looking garlics. These will last us till next year. I'll save the best ones and we'll use them the entire year. This is David, Grow and Eat This. Man, I gotta stop and cool down a little bit. And I'm pretty obviously gonna need to put some more soil in this bed. It has sunk a lot too. But once again, it's another first year bed, so of course it's gonna sink. This is David, Grow and Eat This. If you like these, hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe. Maybe YouTube will let other people know that we're doing this. And we can all have fun here in our Georgia gardens. Thank you for watching.